Hello everyone, wanted to show you real quick something that I picked up for my Corolla IM because I didn't have anything on it, and just a little something to spice it up a little bit, especially before this road trip. So the door sills didn't have any kind of protective coating on there or anything, so I picked up a set of these from Bloom Car, and they are magnetic. And so they just attach, but what's cool about them is that they light up. So there's a little sensor right here that when the doors close, they turn off, and you can select different colors, see, and different lighting patterns. So it's really kind of cool how you can optimize everything. Came with 4 of them, so 2 longer ones for the front and then 2 shorter ones for the rear. These still have the protective plastic on them. I peeled it off of this one so you kind of get a more accurate view of it. So let me show you how this goes on. So here's the little charge port right there. You can lift up, and this just takes one of these micro USB micro plugs. They send 2, so that's nice. And then they come with this protective coating, so you can see the difference before and after. So they look a lot better once you get this off. And they do recommend that you charge these up before putting them onto the car. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Give them a charge for a couple hours, it says, and make sure they're fully charged up. And they do provide some directions so that you know how to change the colors and stuff like that. The power button is what does that, but fairly easy thing. And they even include some double stick Velcro tabs and stuff, so if you wanted to make them even more secure. But the magnet seems very, as soon as I laid it down on there, it was like boom. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I think they're pretty cool. Little way to customize your car, and we'll go from there. So you can move them around. That's nice too. So since they are magnetic, it's easy just to pop them off and place them onto another car if you wanted to. I just wanted to show you at the end what the door sills do. So when you open up the door, they come on. And so I've got them set for the solid blue, but you can pick one of numerous colors. You can also pick them to where they motion and change colors, all kinds of things. So just whatever you want. I did the blue because the interior lights on this car are blue, but that's what they look like. So any questions, guys, just holler. And until next time, I'll see you down the road.